What are you making?
Butter.
You're making some butter? You're making fries?
I'm making chicken and leg. Leg? I'm going to get chicken. Oh, chicken. I love me.
Reach in and get it. Hey, reach in and get it.
It's right there.
Stick your hand in there and get it. Madeline, can you get that for him? That's very nice, Madeline. Thank you.
What do you say, Michael?
Thank you, Michael.
He says you're welcome.
Okay. Michael. Michael. Look. Michael, what's that?
Did you get a little bit of chicken there?
Yeah. I got chicken. Chicken!
Does it taste good?
Yeah. No.
No?
Did you try it?
Nope. Not
You should take a bite.
No. It's yucky. It's yucky. Something in there.
Something's in there?
Pumpkin. And then the spoon did this.
You can get the spoon?
The spoon did that.
Okay, use the spoon.
I got the spoon. I want the spoon. Not that.
Did you say spoon or spoon?
No, I need the scissors and cut that.
You're going to use the scissors and cut that?
Yeah. I gotta get it off. I gotta get stuff off. Oh.
That's very good, Michael.
Oh.
That.
What is that, Michael? A seed.
Seed.
Very good. Get that to Mommy.
You want to come put it in the bowl?
She's collecting the seeds.
There, put it in there. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, Michael. Uh-oh.